Ma'am, this thing you have to mention in the paper, not in the message box. Mention your name in the drawing copy or in a drawing sheet, whatever you are going to use for the drawing. Mention your name, mention your age, mention the school name you are going to. Okay? By the time joining, already joined, mention your name, mention your age, mention the school you are going to. Please mute your mic, ma'am. Okay. Hello to all students. On behalf of Indo Kids, we welcome you on Pan India Drawing Competition. We are having 3 groups in our drawing competition. That's the toddler, then the mediocre, and the age from 7 to 9.
ए रुको तुम अभी ठीक से रहो कैमरा ऑन लड़की कैमरा ऑन है
Parents, please
लड़की
mute your mic, because if you are not muting your mic, other parents will face difficulty in listening to the commands what we are going to give for the drawing competition. So, age group of 2 to 4, age group of 2 to 4 years. जो भी बच्चे 2 से 4 साल के बीच में है, go as you like. जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, जो आप अपना बेस्ट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, वो आप लोग ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. Children from 2 to 4. Children from 2 to 4. Go as you like. 2 to 4, go as you like. Even 4-year also, go as you like. Then age group from 5 to 6. Age group from 5 to 6, go as you like. जो भी बच्चों का एज 2 साल से 6 साल के बीच में का है, उनको जो अच्छी चीज लगती है वो ड्रॉ करें. In which they are best. Start drawing. Start drawing. Start drawing. Children from the age group of 7 to 8. Children from age group of 7 to 8, you have to go with festival theme. You have to go with festival theme. 7 to 8 will go with festival theme. Go with festival theme. The festival we have just celebrated, that is Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, or the festival we are going to celebrate, that is Diwali, Kali Puja, Chhat Puja. So whatever you are good at it, 7 to 8. Okay, start drawing. Yes, please go on. I have already mentioned the theme. Start drawing. You have 1 hour in your hand. It is 11:40 this point of time. After 1 hour, you will show us the drawing one by one, and then click the picture and we'll send it on our WhatsApp number from which we have got the registration message. Start drawing. If anybody have any question, they can ask. Girl from Shalu Nayak and Dheeraj Nayak. Girls, please start drawing. आप लोग ड्राइंग करना शुरू करिए. Yes.
Where will I write the names in the sheet?
Please open your camera. Open your camera.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay. Now tell me what you want to say.
Ma'am.
Unmute your mic and say.
Where will I write the names? What touch?
I'm not able to hear you properly. Your voice is very low.
Ma'am, where will I write the names in the sheet?
Of course, you're going to write the name on the sheet where you are drawing. Okay. The sheet which are you using for drawing, mention your name on the top. Okay. And your name, your age and school also which where you are going. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
ম্যাম সাবমিটটা কি ইয়েতে করতে হবে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, এখন ওকে ড্রয়িং করতে দিন। ড্রয়িং করার পর যখন হয়ে যাবে আপনি আনমিউট করে বলে দেবেন, তখন আপনি ছবিটা তুলে আমাদেরকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাঠিয়ে দেবেন। ঠিক আছে ম্যাম? We are happy to see all of the students who have joined for the Pan India Drawing Competition. Let me give a brief to all the parents about Indo-Kids International School. Indo-Kids International Schools running from last 12 years. We are having more than 125 branches. We are located in Kolkata, Narendra. Even we are doing online and offline classes both. So if any parents are looking for the admissions, they can join us. As this is the Puja festive season, we are having more of festival offers. If you come and do the registration for the next session, that is 2021 and 2022 batch. 22 and 23 batch, sorry. We are running the school with online and offline both the modes, especially for the playgroup children. Who are unable to do their schooling at home, have been aparted from the school from last 2 years, they can come and visit our Narendrapur branch because we are maintaining the COVID protocols and even doing the classes in the school. Those who have just joined, tell me the age so that we can tell you. Yes, ma'am, tell me the age.
Hi, Silpi, Rekha here. Rekha Rao.
Yeah. What is the age of your child, ma'am?
5 years.
Okay, he has to go as you like. Whatever he likes to draw, he can draw.
Okay, thank you.
It's go as you like. Put the name in the top of the paper, your age, and the school you are going to.
Okay.
Any parents have any queries, they can either unmute their mic or can write in the chat box. By the time our children are doing the drawing, I would like to take you all to the tour for Indo-Kids International School. In between, if any parents have any question, they can unmute their mic and can ask us.
সবাই আসছে অবশ্যই।
The children who have just joined, they can unmute their mic and can take the details. We request all the parents, make sure the child name is mentioned on top of the paper. The child name is mentioned on the top of the paper, not at the back. Do mention your child name on the top of the paper. The age of the child and the school he or she is going. Okay?
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, ma'am?
Ma'am, he is not going any school. I only write his name
Ma'am, I'm
and
not
age.
able to hear you. Your voice is very low.
Ma'am, I'm saying that he is not going any school. So I just only write his name and age.
Only his name then. If the child is not going to any school, just write his or her name and the age. Okay? And write the age.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
All the best to all the students. The best of two from each group will get a cash prize.
Ma'am, I am on Avyasina. I studying a TPS Rupi part.
Fine, beta. Mention the same thing in the paper in which you are doing your drawing. Okay?
Okay.
Good girl. Smart girl. Now I think it's already 11:47. So all the
Which
students
I
are.
drawing, ma'am?
Yes?
Which I drawing?
What is your age?
5.
Do whatever you like. Okay? Whatever drawing you like, draw it. You
Okay.
can go as you like. Okay? Children, take your time. No need to be in hurry. You have 1 hour in your hand to draw the drawing. Draw it nicely, properly. Okay? And give your best. By the time my children are doing the drawing competition, let me take the tour. And the parents who are cameras are off, please put on your camera. The parents who have put off your camera, please put on your cameras. The children will be only considered if we are seeing them on the camera. Put on your cameras. Sangeeta Datta, please put on your camera. Okay. Deboshmita Pal, please put on your camera. The rest teacher doesn't want to put on the cameras. Only students who are participating can put on the cameras. Okay. Priyanka Saxeria, who have logged in, put on your camera. Okay. Deboshmita Pal, please put on your camera. Otherwise, the drawing competition won't be considered.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. पीटी मासी का है?
Yes, Mishika.
पीटी मासी का है?
Priti Masi is here only. You do your drawing, beta. Do your drawing.
Siddhant Sinha.
Complete my drawing.
Complete my
Ma'am, बोलो ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Anyone on the with the parent side, just tell me they can view the screen. Rishika, father, can you please tell me that if
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
view the screen?
So, excuse me, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Please repeat.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you
Yes,
able to
yes.
see the screen?
Yeah. We are
Yes,
able to
yes.
see.
Okay,
He's on the
fine,
screen.
fine. So children, let the children do their drawing by that time. I want to just brief all the parents about Indo-Kids International School.
Yes, yes, please do.
We are part of Indo-Kids International School, which is running from past 12 years. We at Indo-Kids, previously we are only doing with this pre-primary section, but now we have been started with primary section, that is till class 7, we have extended. Why Indo-Kids? We are the leading provider in pre and mainstream school education. Indo-Kids is a unit of RK Group of Education. It's serving us since 2005. It has been associated with 500 plus schools, colleges, and universities. We are having 34 as mentioned over there, but as we have been grown to 125 branches all over India. Indo-Kids International School is a quite nascent organization which is flourishing at a very fast pace, keeping the tagline to dedicated to excellence. Yes, we are dedicated to excellence. We make sure that all our students, children who have been joining our schools get the perfect care in their developing age. We are there. Our main branch is located in Bangalore, Karnataka, and we are always all placed in Bihar, Jharkhand, Kolkata, Ranchi, etc. places. What we vision? We vision to be a dominant player in the school segment in the world by offering the best educational experience to our young one students. And yes, today we are trying our level best to give the perfect education to them and communicating with the parents on one-to-one basis. As whoever parents have joined, been satisfied with IndoKids, what we are doing from last 8 years in Kolkata with Noindapur branches.
Again.
IndoKids is building a strong foundation in children's flourishing in school and life. We foster self-esteem. As we know that COVID is going on, but still we have taken a call to invite the students of 2 to 5 years of age in the school so that they can develop. We have always maintained that gap, that bridge with student and parents in COVID times also, and we have asked the parents and encouraged them to send their children to school so that they can take care of their foundation as well as health beings. We have a board of advisory members, Mr. Jay Prakash, Chairman of International Institute of Business Studies. We are not alone. We are having numbers of eminent educationists from different areas of education, different segments where they have reached the highest grade. Dr. N. Dhananjaya, Registrars of Indian University. Dr. Rafiq Ahmed, Director of HMS Institute of Technology. So as this, we have numbers of educationist stars who are being guiding us and being a board of advisory members since 12 years. What we offer? We offer education from playgroup to class 7 this point of time. In 2022, we have extended our classes till class 7. So if any parents, any students who are looking to for a good school, for a caring school where they doesn't want to face too much of crowd and perfect attention and creation of their child to be developed, they can join us and they can see what we can offer them. We offer Indo Gym, Indo Music, Summer Clubs, Flash Pool, and Car Library. and it is being provided from one-to-one basis from all our teachers at Indo-Kids. We offer from playgroup to senior KG, and we offer from other primary classes also from 1 to class 7. We have CCTV coverage, audio, visual, and computers. Splash pool. As of Corona, we are not using splash pool. Caring attendance, carpool facility. Still, we are about to start it because of Corona. We are not doing, but yes, we are asking the parents who can drop their children at the school premises. Hygiene environment and doctors on call. We have found a research foundation on Cerebrum team. It conduct and it is best globally practiced. We have a highly quality developmentally appropriate with rigorous instructional plan that offers activity and experience through which the children grow to become a mature adult. These are the welcome kits that is being we offer the students, which is included in our admission fees only. We do not charge it apart from. The social domain we maintain to refer a spice of life, social, physical, intellectual, creative, and emotional development of all the students in our school. Curriculum is developed to cater the child all-around development. We focus on knowledge plus skill plus attitude, and that's called a holistic development of each child in our school. Learning styles depends 20% of what we hear, 40% of what they hear and see, 80% what they hear, see and do, and 100% what the children discover by themselves. And at Indo-Kids, we maintain that. We don't like pressurizing the children for having many classes at one go. But what we maintain that at one class, they at least understand what we want to teach. Hands-on approach on learning, inquiry-based approach, follow multiple intelligence approaches, extension, enrichment of early learners, remedies for late learners, and even if we practice also late tuitions if the students are not able to cope up with the class environment. We approach have role play, conceptual formation, playway method, direct instructions, questionings. So these are the approach we maintain in our learning perspectives. Current feature is age appropriate learning. Maximum space of learning provides a stimulating learning environment, focus on complete development of the child. Thus, what we create the observer, explorer, investigator, and communicator. So when a children's passer from Indo-Kids doesn't have to look for its place in the crowd of 30 to 40. Our versions update regularly. Teachers do assessment on each child on per month basis, teacher remarks and the parents' feedback. This is how the teachers do their remarks for each child. Indo-Kids have been awarded for the Better India Education Award in 2008 by Today Research and Ratings. So we are not only in the education sector, we have been awarded for our best efforts in education sectors also. We have gotten too much of media coverage, and we have also been awarded for India Excellence Summit for fastest growing preschool in Kolkata and most promising franchisee opportunity. So if any people looking for opening a school also, they can get in touch with us so that they can run their own dream of running a preschool. Why to invest so much when you can understand what to invest and what to get? The award pictures of our chairman being awarded for the Better Education Awards. This is the opening ceremony of other branches, Boral, Brahmapur. The media coverages, we put more focus on role development because as the practical knowledge grow, the childs grow. We do role play sessions like first day, vegetable selling days. Even we celebrate annual function. The annual function what we celebrated was sports day. Because of COVID, we are not able to go, but still we are doing in small place so that students get the exposure. If you have done data, just click the picture and send us on our WhatsApp number. This is the Plantation Green Day. This is Christmas Day, what we have celebrated with our children. All equipments are age appropriate, child safe, child friendly, multi-sensory and integrated with the curriculum. All equipments are pre-writing skill, writing skill, pre-math skills. When our students join us, we put more focus on the child to get adjusted in the school environment, and then we put the focus on their writing part. Safety as a culture. Monthly update of syllabus through WhatsApp posts, draft copy, Facebook updates, and SMSs. These are the events what we celebrate. Graduation day. So students, thank you to all parents for listening us so nicely. And thank you to all students who are participating. Very nice. The child login from Poonam Gupta ID. Very nice. Sorry parents, I cannot recognize all the name of the students, so I am just calling them with your name. Kumod Singh. Very nice. Chota Bean. Okay. Very nice. Take the picture, send us on the WhatsApp, mention your name on the front of the paper, mark your age and the school where are you studying right this point of time. The parents who have not yet selected any schools, they can catch up with Indokids Narendra as we are having puja offers. Parents who are looking for, the parents who have participated also, we request them to give us the reference for the admission of our school. Schooling can be done from any place, as this year and coming year also we have to go with online mode only. Yes, Tishanjeet, very nice. Very nice, Tishanjeet, very nice. Take the picture, send it on the WhatsApp. Very nice. Tishanjeet, stop biting your nail. Stop biting your nail, Tishanjeet. Okay. So, whoever is completing their drawing, they can log out. Send the picture on the WhatsApp number and you can log out. Bye. Bye from login ID from Poonam Gupta. I think this is Shreya Gupta. Shreya, now you can recognize me? Trishanjeet, send the picture on the WhatsApp number. Children who have just completed their drawing can click the picture, send us on the WhatsApp number.
Ma'am, I am done.
Very nice, very nice. Who was showing me the drawing? Yes, Shaurya. Shaurya, very nice. Click the picture, send me on the WhatsApp, okay? And you can log out, Shaurya. Maisha, very nice. Send me the picture. Send me the picture. Mention your name, mention your age. The result of the drawing competition will be announced after 3 days. The result of the drawing competition will be announced after 3 days. Ruxana Parveen, please unmute your mic if you want to say something. Yes, ma'am. Now say.
Ma'am, I'll send picture, but
You have sent the picture? We will check, ma'am. If you send it on WhatsApp, we'll check.
okay.
Okay. Thank you for participating.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, ma'am. All the parents who have participated, we request them to send the reference to Indokids International. We are taking offline and online both modes of education in our Narendrapur location. student from any location, from any area, from any state can join IndoKids. Everything will be provided. We will send it through courier.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, Piku. Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am.
Yes. Send it on the WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll be very happy if all students will click the picture, post it on FB and tag IndoKids International School. Click the picture, post on FB and tag IndoKids International School. Yes, Mishika, these two ponies are very nice. You're looking very pretty.
Thank you, ma'am.
You want to say something, Mishika?
सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा
क्या मिलेगा?
सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा
Not able to hear you. Yes, Rishika, very nice.
Oh, thank you.
थैंक यू सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा मैम
क्या मिलेगा बेटा? रिजल्ट, ये रिजल्ट,
सर्टिफिकेट
अच्छा सर्टिफिकेट. आपका एज क्या है?
5
ठीक है, आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा.
थैंक यू मैम
We request all the parents to do a small initiative.
I know yeah
Very nice, very nice, very nice mountains with a shining sun. Send the picture, beta.
okay send
Even you can post the picture on FB and tag IndoKids International School. Post the picture on FB and tag IndoKids International School. Post the picture on FB and tag IndoKids International School. The student who have completed can send us the picture.
Ma'am, please see I am making Diwali's drawing. Ma'am, please see I am making Diwali's
Okay,
drawing.
who is speaking? Acha, Dubesh Srivastav. Very nice. You color it, no, beta? Color it. Color it.
Yes, ma'am, I am making it.
Color it. Color it. Take your time. Color it. Very beautiful Akriti. Very nice. Color it. Color it. Very nice Akriti. Color it. Akash. Color it, beta. Drawing is good. Color it. Color it. Who have done the sketch? Color it. Ruhi Riddhi. Color it.
Ruhi Riddhi है.
Ruhi Riddhi भी है.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ruhi Riddhi, show me what you have done.
Yes, very
Very nice, very nice. Complete it and send me the picture. Do not forget to write your name on the top. Very nice, Mishika. Very nice. I hope I'm calling your name, not your mother name. Very nice. Very